Let's see how to rename pages in your Wix website. Renaming pages in Wix helps you keep your site organized and improves navigation. We'll go through a simple step-by-step process to rename pages using the Wix editor. First, you need to open your Wix account on your browser. Once you're in, click Design Your Website. You will see a document button on the left panel of your Wix. It is labeled as Pages and Menu. You should click this, and a list of all your site's pages will appear, showing their current names, and you can now edit your site pages. Follow these steps to rename a page. First, you need to click a page you want to rename. For example, this one. And then select the three dots, and then select Rename, and then enter the new page name, and then click Done. As you can see, it changed already. Once you've renamed your page, ensure that any links or navigation menus reflect the new name. That's how to rename pages in your Wix website. See you soon!